So today I'm talking about a Toyota with the P1340 code, what it is and how you can go about fixing it. And so what is a Toyota P1340 code? Well, it's a Camshaft Position Sensor A, Bank-1, Sensor-2. And so what does this mean? Well, basically there's what's called a Camshaft Position Sensor that's just tracking the camshaft as it spins. As the camshaft is spinning, there's notches located on it that the Camshaft Position Sensor can detect. And every single time one of these notches is directly in front of it, it's going to send a signal back to the computer. And the computer can track this, do its calculations, and it's going to know the timing of the engine this way. But when you get this P1340 code, the computer's seeing a problem with this sensor, and so it's going to have to be troubleshooted to know why. And if you have a 4-cylinder engine, there's only going to be one bank on the engine. But if you have a V6 or V8 engine, then the engine's going to have 2 banks. Bank 1 is always going to be the side of the engine with the number 1 cylinder, and the opposite of that is going to be bank 2. So if you locate the number 1 cylinder on that engine, since there can be differences, then that side of the engine is going to be bank 1. One thing to note about these camshaft position sensors is that depending on the vehicle, the year, the make, the model, sometimes they need what's called a cam relearn procedure, where the computer relearns the small variances that comes with a new sensor. This is really going to vary. Toyota usually is pretty good where you can just swap them out and the computer automatically relearn. Also, for this reason, when you go to buy a sensor, if you can, try to get an OEM original sensor, for example, like Denso or something like that, because hopefully there won't be as big as variance inside of an OEM sensor as there is inside of a third-party aftermarket sensor. But just keep in mind that sometimes when you swap out these sensors, some vehicles' computers need what's called a relearn, while others don't. And so what would be some possible causes of a P1340 code? Well, the first thing that could cause this is that camshaft position sensor that has gone bad and needs to be replaced, or the wiring going to it. There's some different ways to go about testing these sensors. I've made videos on that. I'll put a link in the description box below if you want to check that out. Also, there could be multiple camshaft position sensors. There could be 1 on each bank of the engine, or there could be 2 on each bank of the engine. If your engine has a single cam, then there's only going to be 1. But if you have a dual overhead cam, then there's going to be 2 on each bank of the engine. And if you do have 2 sensors, sensor A is going to be on the intake, and sensor B is going to be on the exhaust side of the engine. So be sure to keep that in mind. Also, there could be 2-wire sensors or 3-wire sensors. A lot of older vehicles are going to have the 2-wire sensors, while most of the newer vehicles are going to have the 3-wire sensors. The 3-wire sensors are very common. Basically, what's going on with these is that you're going to have a ground wire, you're going to have power going to it, usually 5 volts, and every single time a piece of metal is directly in front of that sensor, it's going to send a signal back to the computer. If you do go to check the wiring on a camshaft position sensor, it's always a good idea to get a wiring diagram for that specific vehicle. That way you know for sure what's going on. But the first thing that could cause this is the bad camshaft position sensor or the wiring going to it. The next thing that could cause this is that there's some kind of timing component that's having some kind of problem. This would be like a bad belt, a bad chain, a bad tensioner, something like that. And basically, the engine has timing marks and everything needs to line up. And if one of these timing marks, if they do get off, then that's going to cause problems. For example, say a timing belt, it slips, and this mark right here doesn't line up no more. It's a little bit before or a little bit after. So that camshaft's not spinning where it should be. Then that's going to throw everything off and it's just going to cause issues. Usually when that happens, you also get like variable valve timing codes or different things like this. For example, like a P1340 VVT system malfunction bank 1 or something like that. So if you are getting any other codes, be sure to pay attention to that because that can help point you to what the problem is. But the last thing on the list is going to be that there's some kind of issue going on with one of the timing components that's throwing everything off and it's causing the camshaft position sensor to get a bad reading and setting this P1340 code. And so that's basically it. I just wanted to give a basic overview of how you go about fixing a Toyota with the P1340 code. If you have anything to add, please comment down below. If you have any questions, ask me. I'll try to answer them. If this video helps you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.